Here we're taking a look at a beautiful 2018 DCH Economy pre-owned Lincoln MKC Premiere all-wheel drive, finished in Rhapsody Blue Pearl paint with black leatherette seats, powered by a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission, equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels, HID headlights, roof rails, rear spoiler, and power liftgate. Safety features include ABS brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, traction control, front side and overhead airbags. This beautiful MKC Premiere has just arrived at Honda of Nanuet. It only has 72,000 miles. It's gone through a comprehensive multi-point inspection, and it's backed by a limited powertrain warranty. The black leatherette seats are in mint condition. This MKC's interior is extra clean. This all-wheel drive SUV comfortably seats 5 with plenty of rear passenger space. This MKC Premiere comes fully loaded with heated power front seats, memory driver's seat, reverse camera, keyless push-button engine start, dual zone climate control, rear air conditioning, power windows, mirrors and door locks, keyless entry, heated mirrors, digital speedometer. It has a leather-wrapped telescoping steering wheel with paddle shifters and radio controls, with a premium sound system, with subwoofer, CD player, auxiliary jack, USB port, Bluetooth audio, Sirius satellite radio, app suite, and MP3 decoder. The Lincoln 16-valve, dual overhead cam, turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine has plenty of power, and it gets 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This MKC offers plenty of rear cargo space in the hatch. The rear factory subwoofer. The power liftgate closes with the push of a button. Come down to Honda of Nanuet today and test drive this gorgeous, extra clean 2018 DCH Economy pre-owned Lincoln MKC Premiere all-wheel drive with Bluetooth, reverse camera, heated front seats, turbocharged engine, premium sound system, and only 72,000 miles.